Ever had your phone slip mid-drive, leaving you frustrated and distracted? That ends today. I'm showing you car mounts that lock your pixel securely on Airvents or dashboards. Welcome back to the channel. Check the links in the description and grab yours while we explore the smartest driving companions. The number 6 product on our list is LISEN car phone mount. Ever noticed how a shaky car mount can ruin not just your focus but your entire drive? That's where this one flips the script. The LISEN mount doesn't just hold your pixel, it locks it like a vault with 3 layers of stability upgrades. Tested over 50,000 shakes to prove it. Driving over bumps or rough city streets, you'll feel that sense of relief knowing your phone isn't going anywhere. Unlike those flimsy plastic hooks that snap or scratch vents, this design uses a double-layer metal hook and a triangular fixation system to guarantee it won't fall off or break, even when the road gets unforgiving. It adapts easily to both horizontal and vertical vents, which gives you the freedom to mount it exactly where you want without compromise. Sure, it's bulkier than some ultra-slam competitors, but that's the trade-off for unmatched security. For anyone who values peace of mind, long drives, and real-world tested comfort, this mount delivers reliability you'll instantly trust. At number 5 is XDesign Airvent Car Mount. Imagine driving stress-free, your phone steady and within reach, without the wobble or awkward fumbling that so many cheap mounts bring. That's exactly what the XDesign Airvent Car Mount delivers, and it does so with a simplicity that feels refreshing. The quick release button is one of those little design touches that makes a big difference. You press, slide, and secure your phone in seconds, making it effortless even when you're on the go. The dual-level locking system gives you peace of mind by adapting to both thick and thin vent blades, ensuring a snug hold whether you're cruising on smooth highways or bouncing over potholes. It's universally compatible too, which means you won't be left behind when you switch devices, a real plus compared to mounts that age out too quickly. Sure, it won't work with circular vents, but for most dashboards and air vents, this mount proves its reliability. For drivers seeking balance between ease, safety, and tested comfort, it's a smart, everyday choice. At number 4 is Humixx car phone mount. Some car mounts promise stability but leave your phone rattling with every bump. Humixx breaks that cycle with military-grade strength that actually feels reassuring on the road. From the first touch, the 3-layer nano gel suction and twist lock vent clip give an immediate sense of security, tested in real-world comfort where shaky holders often fail. What sets it apart is flexibility. Dashboard, windshield, or air vent, this 4-in-1 design adapts to your driving style without compromise. The telescopic arm and 360° rotation aren't just marketing fluff. They genuinely make navigation or hands-free calls effortless, giving you that peace of mind we all crave behind the wheel. While the build is slightly bulkier compared to slimline mounts, the trade-off is rock-solid grip and scratch-free protection thanks to its shock-proof texture and silicone cushioning. For anyone frustrated by mounts that slip, drop, or limit viewing angles, this is a smart, durable solution that makes every drive feel safer and more controlled. The third one on our list is VICSEED car phone mount. Driving with a wobbly phone mount is more than just annoying, it's unsafe. And that's where VICSEED changes the game with a design that feels engineered for peace of mind. Built from aviation-grade materials, it doesn't just look sturdy, it feels tested for real-world comfort in every sense. The upgraded clamp arms glide open and shut with ease, holding your pixel firmly without ever squeezing the side buttons, and the silicone padding makes sure there's no scratching even on long bumpy rides. Switching from portrait to landscape feels smooth and natural, perfect for quick navigation or hands-free calls. Compared to other mounts that slip from air vents, this one locks into place with a 3-point support system that genuinely delivers on stability. Yes, it's a bit bulkier than ultra-minimal mounts, but the trade-off is total reliability and safer driving. For anyone tired of cheap holders that fail at the worst times, this is the smart, durable choice that keeps your focus where it belongs, on the road. Well, number 2 is VANMASS car phone mount. When a car mount promises military-grade strength, you expect it to deliver, and VANMASS takes that promise seriously with a design that feels built for endurance and safety. From the first touch, you notice the weight of quality, metal hooks that grip with precision, silicone padding that shields vents, and side clamps cushioned with soft airbags to keep your Pixel steady even on rough road. Unlike mounts that slip or rattle, this one locks into place and stays firm, tested through thousands of miles to prove its reliability. The smooth, one-handed release system feels natural, letting you secure or remove your phone without breaking focus while driving. Compared to lighter budget models, it's bulkier, but that's the trade-off for a mount that inspires genuine peace of mind. If you want a car companion that's tested for real-world comfort, gives full visibility and blends flexibility with security, VANMASS stands out as the smart upgrade for safer, smoother journeys every day. Now, moving to the last one is TORRAS, Carfo Mount. What if a car mount could give you the same confidence as buckling your seatbelt? That's exactly what the TORRAS model delivers, combining military-grade strength with a design built to adapt to almost any driving style. From the first click of its one-handed clamp, you feel the difference. Solid, smooth, and effortless. Tested for extreme temperatures and equipped with a suction cup that refuses to quit, it stays in place, whether you mount it on the dash, windshield, or vents. The triangular vent clip structure adds another layer of stability, solving the age-old problem of mounts slipping or scratching air blades. Compared to lighter plastic models, this one feels premium, though it's slightly bulkier, which some may find less sleek. Still, the versatility of 4 installation methods and compatibility with thick cases makes it worth the space. For anyone tired of mounts that fail after a few weeks, this option feels like peace of mind, tested for real-world comfort and built to last. So guys, this was the video about the 6 best Google Pixel 10 Pro car mounts for Airvents/Dashboard. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.